Hi everyone, it's me Nina again, and today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable spring roll or sausage with sardines. Okay, here are the ingredients that we need. We need 2 cups of shredded cabbage. We need 1 cup of shredded carrots, 1/4 cup of chopped bell pepper. You can use any color of bell pepper. We need 1/4 cup of dried shiitake mushroom. You can soak the dried mushroom into water and then chop into small pieces. We need 1 cup of spring onion, 1/4 cup of cilantro, uh, half cup of chopped onion. We need also 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 can of sardines in olive oil, 1 egg, sesame oil, ground pepper, salt, and cooking oil. Okay, in a large saute pan over medium-high heat, add the olive oil and then add the garlic and onion. Stir for 1 minute or until the onion and garlic are wilted. Then we can add the sardines in olive oil, and using your wooden spoon, just press down the sardines to mash the meat. Okay, after a minute, we can add the dried shiitake mushroom and also the rest of our vegetables, followed by shredded carrots, our cabbage, our peppers, and stir well until and cook just until vegetables are wilted. And then we can add the peppers, the ground pepper, the salt, and stir well. And now we can put the sesame oil, stir well and cook, and remove from the heat and set aside. So we can put our vegetable in a separate bowl and make sure the vegetable is cool enough so that we can add the rest of the ingredients. Then we can add the egg and the cornstarch. Just mix everything together, and we have to make sure that the filling should not be watery. It should be like, it should be like kind of sticky but not watery. But if that happens, just strain or put your vegetable into colander to drain the excess liquid. And now we can add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to add more flavor. And then just mix everything together, and then make sure that it's not watery. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so if you want to make a vegetable sausage, we can place our vegetable filling into the casing. And if you don't know how to do the process, just watch my video regarding about the sausage. And then when everything is done, we just have to make sure that the sausage is dry first before we fry. So we're gonna set our oven into the lowest temperature and let it dry for 30 minutes. And then we fry it. Okay, so fry your vegetable sausage until golden brown, and then it's ready to serve. Okay, so let's make our spring roll. So in a diamond position, just place a spoon of filling on the bottom, and then roll up halfway, then fold sides in, then finish rolling. Okay, you can use egg to seal your spring roll if you want to. Okay, pour enough oil in a wok or a large saucepan and heat on a medium high. Carefully place spring rolls in the oil and cook. And then you can turn your spring roll occasionally until deep golden. Okay, so repeat with the remaining spring roll, and then turn occasionally until deep golden brown for around 1.5 minutes, and then you can transfer it into a paper towel to drain the oil, or in a colander. Okay, so the spring roll is now ready to serve. So spring roll is really good while it's still hot. So just serve while hot with sweet and sour sauce or vinegar sauce, or you can just eat it by itself if you don't want any sauce. But I promise you, this is gonna be really good with the vinegar sauce or the dark sauce or whatever you have at home. And the other thing you can do is you can eat your spring roll with lettuce. You know, you can just wrap your spring roll into lettuce and dip it in your favorite dipping sauce, like Vietnamese style. Or you can also eat your spring roll with steamed rice, the way I eat it, like this, because I love rice. It's really good to pair with steamed rice or whatever rice you have at home, or fried rice. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.